So guys, welcome back to IFX Academy. Analysis BTC guys, we broke our support and went on to hit our bearish target. So for now guys, we are bearish. Simple as that guys, as long as we are below 113,494 guys, we will be seeing 11200 soon guys. If we break above this, we will be testing the previous highs which is at 114,755. So guys, it's very simple. Below this, we keep on selling guys. Above this, we start buying. So it's Friday. I would like to keep my targets short, my profits near, and get out as soon as I can. So take care, guys. See you guys next week. Hope you guys make money trading this way.